There's a few things that we've learned as we've started learning how to tile. We've never tiled before. We've done part of a wall for a friend. We did a floor, and then my husband's working on the ceiling right now. Other than that, our experience is none. So we have learned a few things that have helped make it easier. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So first of all, we measured exactly the halfway point from the ceiling to the floor, and then we went the halfway on the wall. We measured the tile and we came up with exactly where my first tile is going to lay. He screwed a board to the wall with a level line to make sure that as I'm laying the tiles that they are straight, and I will just move that board along as I go. So he's making the cut for that tile and that one. And then once I get this row done, I'll be able to jump up to the next row and build from there. This is my first time doing anything like this, like to do a brick pattern. I'm super stoked. So on the ceiling, we chose to lay it just straight across. That way the pattern didn't grab your eye and you weren't sitting there thinking, oh my gosh, that is a very busy bathroom. So we're really excited. We think this is gonna look great. So I'm gonna just walk this pattern straight up the wall where I have 2 full bricks and then I have a half brick. I'm gonna stagger it and I'm gonna walk all the way up the wall that way. And I'm making sure to be very aware of my lines. I'm a perfectionist. That's okay. This is the right job for me. I'm really enjoying it. This is my first tile job, and I would say I would prefer that those cuts be opposite of each other. So maybe the next time I would have ran this full run starting over here, and that would have left my cut tile here, and then I would have gone full, and then had it, so it wouldn't have ended up being 2 small 1-inch cut pieces next to each other. But I don't know, what are you gonna do? At this point, it is what it is, and there's no taking down 3 rows, so wiener pig. I didn't put enough mud in the back corner. As long as your line is level, stay level. And when you have your tiles already pre-buttered, you're ready to rock and roll. And you can get things done a heck of a lot faster. But because I built that side up, I'm gonna have to build that side up. Instead of putting it on the wall, I'm just gonna run a little bit thicker line on my actual tile and see if that works. Does it? Perfect. And I constantly check this end needs to come up. So now I have to measure this and I'm off to my next row. Let's do this. Joe is getting the precision cuts because our ceiling comes at an angle So he's making sure that he cuts all of those along the wall. And he's gone ahead and done the same thing up here. He's cut my last piece. And now I'm working on this side. And when we get down to the bottom, he's gonna take the toilet out so we can finish the wall. All right, so he managed to get the toilet out for me. So now I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna finish this wall all the way down, and I'm gonna finish the wall behind me all the way down. Then I can come in and I can lay the tile on this back wall, and that makes my corners line up really nice. So you can hide cut mistakes, you can hide whatever you need to, but also it allows for you to have kind of a flawless seam in that corner. So I'm really excited because this is all we really have left of this wall. There are a few cuts on the top to make it the ceiling, and then this little corner is done. It's exciting.
Got your little spacers. How's it going?
Oh, it's going. Just watching you work.
Thanks. It's making a mess, really. Get you just the right distance. Definitely come along.
Time to put the toilet back on. So I like this wall because I lay a full tile, a short tile, a full tile, a short tile. So I am able to cruise pretty quickly up this wall. And if I step back, we just have that top part to do of the vanity, and then he can put the wall back together. We are honing in on a finished bathroom.